how to add something to your path. So in my case, I've downloaded Python 3 and it doesn't want to run any Python files, so I need to add Python 3 to my path. So first you're going to want to make your way to Control Panel. So I'm just going to type out Control and click Control Panel up here, and then head on over to System and Security. And if it doesn't show up like this, you can change the view by I have it set to category, so just have it set to category if you can't find System and Security. So click System and Security, and then click System. Head on over to Advanced System Settings on the left here. Click that, and while you're on the Advanced tab, click Environment Variables. So under User Variables, I'm going to click New. So what I'm going to need is Python's application path and the Python's script path. So I'm going to head on over to where I have Python installed. Click Python 3. So here's the path for Python 3. I'm going to copy this. In the variable name, I'm just going to type path. Just anything can go there. And now in my variable value, I'm going to type in my path for Python, put a semicolon, and now I'm going to locate my Python's scripts path. So back on over to where I have Python. Since I don't actually have a Python's scripts folder, I can create one and just call it scripts. And click on over into this folder, copy this location, and put it here. And then I'm going to press OK so that this goes through. And hit OK in Environment Variables, and let's test it out. Let's go on over to our scripts folder, and let's write a small script that can go in here. So I'm going to open Notepad++, which is my preferred notepad editor, and let's type out hello world. Save it as hello.py. I'm going to save it in my scripts folder. As you can see, we've got the little snakes logo from Python, so we've successfully added Python 3 to our path. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. I'd love to answer them. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.